And I will quote to you my father's favorite phrase for his campaign, which is, "Ang bayan muna higit sa lahat." Public service is separate and distinct from politics. Okay, he always made that reference, said there is a difference between being a politician and a public servant. Justice for the poor is what got him elected as senator in the 60s. And through that advocacy, he believed that the poor and those who cannot afford lawyers could have a chance to be represented in court by what they call now the Citizens Legal Aid Society of the Philippines, which he set up. When he decided to step aside as a presidential candidate and give way to President Aquino, I think that impact is unequaled in the history of Philippine politics. My father always said that you are a public servant. Taxpayers are paying for you to serve the country.